Yeah, good evening, audience. Good evening, audience. Our lovely followers. Good evening, good morning, good afternoon, depending on the area where you are getting our video. I want to work on Bokebu TV. Before maybe you could try a share button. I find a break. I see why you go sube. And again, this is also the first day of starting the work with my machine. You can see it fully kitted with the regalia and everything. We've been bestowed on it. Kebu TV on all the bulletproof. But that's by the way. I know now Ovom Erosion project where His Excellency Dr. Leshama Oti is doing his magic. There was a very heavy downpour in Aba. If you are in Aba, you understand what I'm saying. At least you can be able to also see the sound and also the force of nature. Yeah. We need in a we have also erosion now. Yes, we need in a many different area, different location. I be here a little issue. As in water with the issue here. One side of the water, the other. You can see the asphalt. It was neglected and ignored. Your owner will spring up all this a big erosion, which will also be showing you the pictures of how it was. So you know about it already. But His Excellency, in his good spirit, within the last week, in that year, within 8 months, they were able to achieve this. Yeah, so that's by the way. The rest is history. So as I can believe you, let me come around to see the this new one will be bigger. You can see the force of nature. You can see the sound. Obufula go be you ya water. Send to Aba River. We see much later. Sorry. So we use today was Sunday edition on Kebu TV just to showcase the achievement of His Excellency, not only along Ovom antics, but the Mago streets and also Ago bypass. All the adjoining roads in Owola. They are all wearing a brand new look. You can see that the development here they just buy stone base. After the stone base, you was a asphalt and we get prime oil here very well. So here, this is going with heavy downpour. Yes, this is if I fall here, look I can't raise me up. With very heavy downpour on this environment, but. I insist that I need to show people how it is and also within the solve that this beautiful site. One of the after Port Harcourt road updates, one of the giant projects being executed by this administration by a company called OK and Jewel Enterprise or Construction Firm, an indigenous construction company that are being charged to deliver the best and nothing but the best because they have the manpower and also all the resources on their disposal to achieve on this. So let me come around, let me move around and also show you guys what this administration is made of. Yes, their qualities, their desire, their determination, their passion in bringing changes. Yeah, you can see the force of nature. You can see let us go out with your phone. Property owners are justly and also happily returning back to their building, reclaiming their building, their long abandoned forsaken building. You can see this one. Also, yes, a lot happened here. Only God knows. At the time, the residents they had a meeting. Your governor, so many government are the capacity. So they told me, they confided in me that they went to see the governor, see a biko. That they are ready to contribute some quarter of. So the governor was challenged. You don't be very elect. Also. The governor was moved and he decided to start this project. And today, the story of change, story of laughter, story of from grass to grace, story of sufferings to enjoyment, stories of goodwill, story of divine touch, stories have changed for good. And all here do I remember today just to reaffirm our commitment, our supporters, our followers, our people all over the world that have been following us on this story, because this story did not start today. That I made up my mind to revisit this environment so that I'll be able to show you guys that His Excellency is not going back in his promise. That His Excellency is committed and also determined to not only to change the fortune of Aba, but also the entire state in totality. Which one case say this is he said that he is not a senatorial governor. Imamba ne PDP anyị ga-asị ọ dị ụzọ ga-arụ Benz ocean abịa north. Senator T. Oji ga-focus majorly na Umuahia, and also from Abia South, Dr. Okeze Victor Bazo, during the previous administration, they say no Onyaba, they even they make campaign no Onyaba, Garaba, and so many people believe it because Aba with a major target. So I can make a I may to the stories ga. But today I actually now this very environment to showcase what God achieved, what God used His servant. Because the governor now is servant. Yes, who will have there, who his personal money, but all the determined, all the dedicated, all the down to earth that he is ready to deliver, and he is ready to do whatever that is necessary to make sure that Abia State, Aba, all the sufferings, all the people feeling one thing or the other, going through one hell or the other, will enjoy back, will come back to life, and also join other streets, other zones, other axes that are enjoying the benefit of good governance, which is never a rocket science or so let me come around to showcase and also show the world how it is. So stay tuned on TV and always remember to like, comment, and also share.